gonna draw a shark. Learn colors with me. Drawing and coloring shark.
A baby shark.
I think it looks great so far.
Baby shark.
What about you?
Baby shark. A baby shark. A mama shark.
Look, the shark is smiling.
Mama shark.
Isn't it so cute?
Mama shark. Mama shark. A
Time
papa
to
shark.
color with blue color.
Papa shark. Papa shark. Papa shark. Grandma shark. Grandma shark. Grandma shark.
I really love drawing
Grandma
and
shark.
coloring.
I went swimming. I went swimming. I went swimming. I went swimming. I saw a fin. I saw a fin.
Learn colors with
I saw a
me.
fin.
White color. Let's use white
saw
to
a
paint his
fin.
belly.
I swam fast.
Drawing and